Welcome to Core English. This is Level 2, Lesson 4, Time in Sentences. In this lesson, we learn how sentences can tell us when something happens. Every complete sentence tells us who or what happens, what is, or what has. Now let's add a piece of additional information. When. Time tells us when an action or situation happens. It can tell us now, before, after, how often something happens. Words or combinations of words that tell us time help make sentences clearer. Here are some common words and word combinations that answer the question, when. Now time. Now, today, at the moment. Past time. Yesterday, last night, last week, before. Future time. Tomorrow, next week, later, soon. How often? Always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Let's look at some sentences. I am working now. She called me yesterday. We will meet tomorrow. Each sentence tells us when the action happens. Time words or word combinations often come at the end of a sentence or at the beginning of a sentence. At the end, I study English at night. He exercises every morning. At the beginning, today, I feel confident. Last week, we finished the lesson. We can ask about time using time words such as when. When do you study? When does she work? When did they arrive? The answer usually includes a time word or word combination. I study at night. She works on Monday. They arrived yesterday. Time is often extra information. The sentence is still complete without it. I work. She studies English. Adding time makes the meaning clearer. I work in the morning. She studies English every day. Just remember this. Time words tell us when something happens. Listen for them, read them, and practice using them. In this lesson, you learned that sentences can tell us when something happens. Time words and word combinations answer when. Time can come at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adding time makes meaning clearer. In the next lesson, we will continue building clearer sentences by adding more useful extra information. Now, download your practice sheet for Lesson 4 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do the drills. And once again, if you have found this video has helped you, then please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.